10 Ways to Stop Hair Fall Within 1 Week. Presented by Healing Health. Hair loss is one of the most common problems worldwide, affecting 1/3 of the population. At the end of this video, there is bonus fact for you, so please watch till end. 1. Avoid brushing wet hair. When hair is wet, it is in its weakest state. So avoid brushing wet hair, because the chances of hair loss increases. But if you must comb wet hair, use a very wide tube comb. Also avoid brushing hair too frequently, as doing so can injure hair and increase loss. Use your fingers to undo tangles, not a comb or brush. 2. Keep yourself hydrated. The hair shaft comprises 1/4 water, so drink at least 4 to 8 cups of water in a day to stay hydrated and for the growth of healthy hair. 3. Rub green tea into your hair. Studies have shown that rubbing green tea into hair may help cure hair loss problems. All you need to do is brew 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of water, leave to cool, and thereafter apply it to your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly after an hour. To see results, practice this regularly for a week to 10 days. 4. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking cigarettes reduces the amount of blood that flows to the scalp, and this causes a reduction in hair growth. If you are experiencing hair loss, then lessen your alcohol intake, because drinking alcohol reduces hair growth. So, decrease or eliminate alcohol to see an increase in hair growth. 5. Keep away from chemicals. Harsh chemicals and permanent hair color products could be damaging for hair health. When you are experiencing hair loss, it is advised not to color your hair. 6. Try medications such as minoxidil, otherwise known as Regain. This over-the-counter (OTC) drug is known to work for around 2/3 of women who try it, according to the Mayo Clinic. Apply the liquid or foam to your scalp each day. Side effects include scalp irritation and acne at the site of application. Rarer side effects include irregular heartbeat and blurred vision. 7. Try onion juice. Another home remedy that I have had success with. Onion juice is an excellent conditioner, and regular use can help control hair fall. One warning: make sure you wash the towel immediately, unless you want it to smell like onions. 8. Physical activity. Make time for physical activity every day. Walk, swim, or bike for 30 minutes a day helps balance hormonal levels, reducing stress levels, besides reducing hair fall. 9. Keep your head sweat-free. Men with oily hair experience dandruff during summer due to sweating, and the chances of hair fall increases. Using shampoos that contains aloe vera and neem can keep the head cool and prevent from dandruff. 10. Regularly wash your hair with mild shampoo. Regular hair washing is a part of preventing hair loss by the way of keeping hair and scalp clean. Doing so, you are lowering the risk of infections and dandruff that may lead to hair breakage or loss. Moreover, clean hair gives the impression of more volume. Bonus tip: do you know? Everyone loses 100 hair strands each day.